Hello, origami enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the art of crafting a stunning flower made entirely from dollar bills. This elegant creation can be a charming addition to your Christmas decorations. So, grab your dollar bills and let's get started. Remember, patience is the key to mastering origami. To create our beautiful flower, you'll need 8 dollar bills. Make sure they're crisp and ready for folding. Begin with $1 bill. Cross valley, fold the corner. Then valley, fold the edge. Unfold the tip to prepare for the next folds. Now, valley, fold the other edge. Open up the fold slightly and tuck the edge inside, creating a neat triangular shape. This is the foundation of our flower petal. Turn the bowl over and cross valley, fold it in half. Fold the tip to the center line, setting the stage for the intricate details. Repeat these folding steps for the remaining 3 tips, ensuring each fold is precise. This will form the intricate layers of our flower. Turn over the bell and unfold one tip. Valley, fold the tip to the center, creating a distinctive petal shape. Repeat this on the other side. Valley, fold the model in half, ensuring a clean and symmetrical appearance. Valley, fold the upper edge down, shaping the petal further. You now have 1 petal of your beautiful flower. Repeat these steps to create a total of 8 petals, each delicate and unique. Now, the magical moment. Insert the petals together one by one. Take your time to ensure a secure and visually appealing connection. Bravo! You've just crafted a stunning flower made entirely from dollar bills. This gorgeous creation can add a festive touch to your Christmas decorations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more origami inspiration. Until next time, happy folding and happy holidays!